Issues of scale are all around us. Literally. What issues do you identify here? What does this area look like at a small, medium, and large scale? And what natural and human-caused forces operate at each of those scales? This is the Front Range of Colorado, the intersection of two enormous ecoregions, the Rocky Mountains to the west and the Great Plains off to the east. What sort of plant and animal species dominate in each of these ecoregions? I'm looking out over the short grass prairie that dominates the western or highest part of the Great Plains. But these mountains off to the west, as you can see, are dominated by spruce and pine trees. What is the scale of these plants, and what is the scale of these ecoregions? What is the height of each of these plant species? How much land area do each of these ecoregions occupy? What is the scale of these mountains? How tall are they? How far north and south do they extend? How does their scale affect the climate, the vegetation, and the land use of this area? It turns out the scale matters. I'm standing now on the leeward side of these mountains in the rain shadow. Why do we not see such a vast amount of short grass prairie? Humans obviously have extensively modified this environment as far as the eye can see. Humans have affected the land, but the land affects humans as well. For example, this area is semi-arid, even in the mountains. When we build in the mountains, which are naturally in this area prone to wildfire, lives and property are affected. Indeed, we have had several fires already in this area in 2011. And in 2010, about 7 months ago, we had a massive one called the 4 Mile Canyon Fire that scorched 6,100 acres and destroyed 169 homes. Fighting the fire alone cost $10 million.